Let's open the portal of awesome and close it. And welcome to my dojo. So, alright guys, first ako nigdaan. This is where I lay down and close my eyes. And this is my refrigerator guys. Joke lang guys. Muna akon cabinet guys. This is where I store my things that I don't use yet. My polos, my uniforms in nursing, and also shoes. And oh guys, ari po akon mga t-shirt, mga bayo, mga gamit. And also my shorts. And this is my electric fan, my study table, my second study table, my gaming chair. This is where I study on my nursing board exam and also in my other stuff in schools and nursing. And my basketball court guys, ako marami ang view guys. And ari pagid guys, marami pagid yung view sa likod. It's very nice